NES Jason is definitely a cool palette color for the slasher. They even paid homage to him in the newer Friday the 13th game, showing the NES colors of purple and the teal. Well, I headed over to Spirit Halloween and picked up this crappy Jason mask for $5. Hockey mask. Proportions are all off. It doesn't look good. This is a Jason mask that I made before for my full Jason NES cosplay. We're going to kind of make it something similar to this in that fashion. So let's get to it. Definitely seems too wide. So we're going to have to take some off, I think, on the sides. Alright, we're back from a paint. So there's the blue right there, nice and bright. And we're going to get on to my favorite part, is weathering it. So all the scratches that I put into it are really going to pop. So let's get to it. Alright, we got the mask back, and all we have to do is reattach this. Alright guys, well I hope you liked the build of the NES Jason Mask right here with a little bit of damage on it. Really digging the purple accents that I did on the weathering on the mask. Turned out really awesome. So for $5 I picked up the mask, and the paint was like $4 or so, and then it was just a little bit of craft paint. So if you guys are already doing DIY projects, you probably have some of this stuff just laying around your shop, and you can make this $5 mask into that much more. If you guys want to check out how I built my full Jason NES cosplay, there'll be a link in the description down below, as well as my short movie 8-Bit Slasher. It's a real fun flick, and it's only about 7 minutes long, so appreciate it if you check it out. Hit the thumbs up, guys. Subscribe for videos because I put them out every week. And as always, guys, I'm RussLyman, and keep your world fun bit by bit. I'll see you next video. And I want to give a super shout out to all my Patreon supporters: Dan Buchanan, Joey Ellis, George Sandoval, Joseph Riviera, Nintendo, Joe Sheevy, David Apuzzo, Maynard, Brian Culpepper, TechWizX, Matthew Hannigan, Alex Kaz, Ayan Oshi, Gannon, and all my Patreon supporters. Link below if you want to join, and I'll see you later.